Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock rims chrome. First, you'll need to understand the fundamental process, which involves meticulous cleaning and surface preparation. This ensures the chrome finish adheres correctly and looks its best. While DIY options exist, professional electroplating offers the most durable and high-quality results for a truly reflective shine. Preparing your rims is the most critical step. Begin by thoroughly cleaning them with a strong degreaser to eliminate all brake dust, dirt, and oils. Next, sand the entire surface, starting with a coarser grit like 220 and progressing to a finer one, perhaps 600, for a smooth base. Finally, address any imperfections, filling small dents or scratches before proceeding. There are a few ways to achieve a chrome look. Electroplating is the traditional method, involving several layers of metals like nickel and chromium for a deep, mirror-like finish. Alternatively, chrome effect paints can offer a similar aesthetic, though they typically lack the durability of true plating. Powder coating with a metallic finish is another option, providing a tough, chrome-like appearance. Once your rims are chromed, proper care is essential to maintain their shine. Regular washing with a mild soap and water, followed by a protective wax, will keep them looking new. Be aware that professional chroming can be an investment, often costing several $100s per rim, depending on size and complexity. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.